This is Abdurrahman Lafandi, and this is the presentation of my final project of machine learning course supervised by Dr. Ali Kutan. In the beginning, I would like to say that I accept the condition that the professor can call me to present it face to face. So my final project is gold price prediction by artificial neural networks. What actually motivated me to do this project is that, as we all know, gold has been used for various purposes throughout the time, such as the form of currencies and other decorative reasons. Due to its rare in the globe, the price of gold has been changing through the time, mostly increasing, sometimes decreasing, which makes it actually a little bit difficult to predict it. And that's what motivated me to do such a challenging project. Artificial neural network are well suited to modeling relationships between variables and flexibility to handle large number of features and inputs, as well as having the ability to handle nonlinear relationships, which makes it an excellent choice to do such project. My dataset had some interesting features such as gold and silver prices over 10 years. Also, it has the exchange rate between US dollars and euro, as well as the oil prices. After importing the dataset, we split the dataset into test and training sets. And after that, the normalization of the data comes. After taking care of the data set, we actually build our model. Our model here consists of input layer, 3 heading layers, and output layer. The optimization methods that has been used in this project is Adam Optimizer, as well as mean squared error to calculate the loss. The model evaluation, training, validation, and accuracy. The training and validation. During the training phase, the model is presented with training dataset to learn to make some predictions. The validation, after the model has been trained, it usually evaluates on a separate validation dataset to assess its performance on unseen data. Loss and accuracy. The test loss is a measure of difference between the predicted values and the true values. On the other hand, the test of accuracy is a measure of the model's ability to correctly classify and predict the output values. As you can see, this is the graphs and the characteristics of test and accuracy loss, and this is the characteristics of training loss and validation loss through time. For the predictions, my model predicted the prices of the gold, and I showed the plot, and it was as you can see here in my screen. For the report, I made a report for this project. It had the introduction. I talked briefly about the project and the methodology. The results I got, the test of the loss and the test of accuracy, the mean squared error, and here I showed the visualizations of that I got after running the code, and then a small discussion and conclusion. This is the code. This is my code, and here the epochs. I used 100 epochs, and these are the plots. So that was it. Thank you for listening.